At this point, you should be logged into Schoology. In this video, we will look through the links for today and we'll explore some options for you and how you can respond to assignments. I'm going to click into this week's folder. And this is where we are. We're watching this first video from Mrs. Lizzie. If you click the next star, it has all of our links for today. It should. Let's try that again. Here we go. Your daily tasks, this is similar to last week. Read independently for 30 or more minutes. You can read on Epic, or you can read a real book that you have at home. I'd also like you to practice your math skills on Splash Learn for at least 30 minutes a day. If you click this picture, it will take you to the website. Maybe not, just kidding, but you do have the app on your iPad. Be active. Children your age should be getting at least an hour of exercise every day. Now that doesn't mean running for an hour. That means playing outside, walking around the house, maybe helping your parents with chores. It could be doing yoga, whatever way that you like to be active. And keep your learning space organized and tidy. It's important to keep your learning space clean so you can learn, you can spread out, and at the end of each day, clean it up so when you come back the next morning, you're ready to go. This is what we'll be doing today, Monday's learning. On the left side, you'll see must-dos. You can do this in any order you want. On the right side are may-dos. These are extra activities if you're looking for more learning. Today we'll practice using Schoology. I'd like you to tell me about yourself. You'll do an assignment here on Schoology and on Nearpod. You'll also be practicing Nearpod today. If you don't have that app, please download it right away. In social studies, you will learn about communities. That's also on Nearpod. Today in science, you will learn about animals and their habitats. You'll watch a video. Now, I've changed this a little bit, and then you'll have an assignment to respond to, telling me some things that you learned in the video. And then in reading today, you are going to make your own personalized bingo board with some high-frequency words that you are still practicing. Your extra fun activities that you can do if you finish your work early, all of these are links that you can click. You can check out the Kids Art Hub, read I Choose to Try Again, and think about what the message is in the story. Practice your sight words in this game, or do some STEM science activities at home. So you can click these links and it will take you right to the activity. Okay. Oops, it went too far back. So if you ever do that and go too far back, I'm going to find my class by clicking down here on these boxes. And we are this K6 SLP Online Section 2. Okay. I'm going to click on number 1, All About Me. It says, tell me and our class about yourself. You may draw or paint a picture of you and your family and upload a picture. Or you can draw here on Schoology. You can upload pictures or a video. You can be creative. You can use any way to tell me about you and your family. This will help us learn how to use Schoology. On this second All About Me, this is where we'll practice with Nearpod. Now, if I did this right, if we click this, it will automatically open Nearpod. Let's see if it works. Yay! It works. You'll put your name, join lesson, and you will go through a lesson telling all about you. I won't ruin the surprise. It's pretty fun. And that's really it, students. So if we continue looking at our day, you will watch a video to learn about animals and habitats. You'll click on that link. Oops. And the second part is to write a reflection and tell me 3 things that you learned from the video. Again, you'll have an option for choosing a way to tell me what you learned. You can record a video and tell me 3 interesting facts. You can record audio. You can upload a picture of your writing, or you can type. I will be here on my computer and on WebEx all day, waiting for any questions that you have, and together we will figure this out and have a great learning year together.